Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data analysis with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your data analysis with Google Analytics, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, noting key metrics displayed on the home page. Identify the specific data points you want to analyze, such as user behavior, traffic sources, or conversion rates. Navigate to the reporting section, where you will find various reports under categories like real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Start with the real-time report to monitor live activity on your site, which helps understand immediate user interactions. Next, explore the audience report to gain insights into user demographics, interests, and technology used. Assess the acquisition report to determine how visitors find your site, whether through organic search, social media, or direct traffic. Delve into the behavior report to analyze user engagement with your content, identifying top pages and bounce rates. Utilize the conversions section to track goals and transactions, setting up specific objectives to measure success. Enhance your data analysis by setting up custom dimensions and metrics to gather more tailored information. Create custom reports to focus on the exact data that matters most to your analysis. Leverage segments to break down your audience into smaller, more manageable groups for deeper insights. Consider implementing event tracking to measure specific interactions, such as downloads or video plays. Utilize the advanced filter options to refine your data analysis for more precise results. Regularly check the annotations feature to mark significant events that might affect your data, such as marketing campaigns or website updates. Familiarize yourself with the Google Analytics Intelligence feature, which uses machine learning to offer insights and alerts about your data. Set up automated email reports to keep key stakeholders informed of data trends and metrics. Continuously monitor your key performance indicators to identify areas for improvement and to validate your strategies. Remember to stay updated with Google Analytics feature releases and best practices to make the most of the platform. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities with Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.